Here's some wisdom for some of you guys. In the Bible, if you see, the real reason that they built the Tower of Babylon is because after the flood, not all the sons of Noah were as righteous as Noah. So after the flood, when they were supposed to rebuild everything, they said, this time we are very angry with God because God destroyed all of our hard work, our life's work, our fields, our crops, our animals, our ancestors, our relatives, our best friends, our houses, and all the life that we have built for ourselves. God just destroyed. So this time when we are going to build again something for ourselves, we are going to build something in a manner that God can't reach us again with the flood if he does want to kill us. So they said, we will reach the heavens, with the meaning that if God does come again with the flood the next time, he can't kill them. That's what they thought. So then they started building. They all gathered together and they were so convinced. Which is why I'm going to tell you, right? If everybody's saying the same thing, there's probably not saying the right thing. Some woke guy in the US wants ganja to be legalized because he apparently found some medicinal factors in this drug. And therefore, everybody now speaks the same thing and say, you know what, ganja is legal. They talk about equality and they go on adding names to themselves and their own communities. They divide themselves and they ask everybody else to give. See, there's nobody as confused as the people who are saying the same thing together. That is why they are called Babylon, because they're babbling on. The only way to win in this world is to join forces with God, not to go against God and to build a tower and build a name for yourselves. So, don't get woke, get saved.